Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today in this lesson I will explain book exercise and glossary of unit 13 of textbook. Lineage, silsila nasab, dominion, sultanat, retinue, wafad, astonishment, हैरानगी, sway, तसल्लुत, honorarium, एजाजिया, custodian, निगरान, hoarded, ज़ख़ीरा अंदोज़ी, ज़ख़ीरा करना, unstinted, बेदरीग़, लल, तस्कीन देना, लोरी देना, डोल, खैरात, हिस्सा, नेग्लिजेंस, गफलत, एपेटाइट, ख्वाहिश. Lineage, the series of families that somebody comes from originally, ancestry or pedigree. Dominion, authority to rule or control. Retinue, a group of people who travel with an important person to provide help and support. Astonishment, a feeling of very great surprise. Sway, to move slowly from side to side. Honorarium, a payment given for professional services that are rendered nominally without charge. Custodian, a person who has responsibility for taking care of or protecting something. Hoarded, accumulate, money or valued objects and store away. Unstinted, given or giving generously in a way that does not stop and is always generous. Lull, calm and sent to sleep, typically with soothing sounds or movements. Dole, benefit paid by the state to the unemployed. Negligence, the failure to give somebody something, enough care or attention. Appetite, physical desire for food. Come to book exercise. Choose the correct option. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala whose standard of living was in no case higher than an ordinary man. This shows that as caliph, his lifestyle was austere. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala who felt offended when the governor of Kufa proposed eating wheat instead of barley because the poor could not afford wheat. Option C. What according to the text was not the part of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu's personality, luxury and display of wealth. Feeding the hungry children of the old woman is an excellent example of humanism and social welfare of disadvantaged. After reading the text of the lesson Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, it can be concluded that the central point of Hazrat Umar's Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu rule was welfare of people. Come to vocabulary portion. Scan the text for 5 adjectives. Consult a thesaurus for the synonyms that are closest in meanings to the contextual meaning. Now change these synonyms into adverbs of manner and use them in your own sentences as per the following table. I have prepared, but you have you have to prepare by your own self and write it in your activity copy. Adjectives: selfless, easy, kind, sympathetic and simple. Selfless. Selflessly, it becomes in adverb form selflessly, and sentences become every member of the staff should work selflessly to achieve the common aim. Easy. In adverb we can make easily. I can easily finish my homework tonight. Kind. In adverb it become kindly. He spoke kindly to me. Sympathetic. Sympathetically in adverb form, he behaved sympathetically when I lost my job. Simple is adjective, while in adverb it becomes simply. Musa is simply dressed. Form verbs from these words. You are asked to form verbs from these words, like protection, so it become protect. Reduction, it is noun, it become verb in reduce. Initiation, initiate. Expansion, expand. pleasure, please, food, feed, congratulation, congratulate, tight, tighten, response, in verb it become respond. Exercise C. The word unique demonstrate the following spelling rule when using QU to make the K sound at the end of the word add an E. Write these words in your notebook and complete them with the correct spelling of QU producing K sound. Then use each word in a sentence. Students, first you should note it that we will write U with Q always. This is the rule of English. This is word mystique. There is a mystique in his style. Physique. Musa Ahmed has a weak physique. Technique. Genetically modified foods are prepared by modern techniques of genetic engineering. Boutique. Let us go to the boutique. This will be your activity. Family tree is talking about your family history. It is like you start telling from your grandfather and grandmother how many children they have, male and female, their children come after them, then your father and mother, their children, your siblings. Now try to make a family tree. Take help from your teacher or your parents in your home. Make your family tree and show it to your teacher, class, or to your parents. So this will be your activity. Writing skill, this is also your activity. Write a summary of the lesson. Hazrat Umar Farooq Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. As you read the lesson, write a persuasive essay having a thesis sentence. Hazrat Umar Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu devoted himself to the welfare of his countrymen, not as a ruler but as a servant. Translate the text of the incident of feeding the hungry children of the old woman by Hazrat Umar Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu into Urdu. Students, I have already translated to you. Listening and speaking. Consult some authentic sources from library and prepare a class presentation on the topic. Comparison and contrast of Hazrat Umar Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu's administration with the present day administration of Pakistan. Present it before the class with clarity and support the topic with effective factual information. Students, this will be your activity. Memorize glossary of Unit 13.